Guys, I guess today, and this kind of in the middle video of us down here, Pop's wanting to shoot, so he brought his AR, and I got my AR, and I brought my SIG 1911, and he brought his Glock 9mm. I think it's a Glock 19. Don't hold me to that. I don't know nothing about Glocks, so I don't like them. But we're going to get out here and let him shoot some, and let y'all watch how funny he is shooting.
Man, I thought
Yep.
my fan cut off. I had my fingers in my ear, couldn't hear it. Oh, good, man.
Right at the bottom of our little makeshift circles. Right at the bottom of it again. For shooting my SIG. Shooting just beside it. Aim a little further to the right, Dover. We're going to shoot a rotor with Pop's 9mm Glock, and I'm going to shoot it with my 45 to see what the difference is.
Yeah.
Yeah. See what it did there. Well, if I can be still. Alright, now let's see what mine does with it.
There you go. Hurry. I ain't got all day. Yeah.
I heard that thing hit over there somewhere.
Hit it back.
Pop's 9mm didn't put a dent in it, and I hit halfway, so half hit there and half hit there. I guess I need to reshoot that one more time. My third shot didn't even do a dent. My second shot went straight through the hole and went right there. So I shot right between the rotor, which of course we do have these laid down, so when it's hitting, it's slipping. But that way it don't get, whatever you call it, knows where it slingshots back at you. We don't want to get shot with our own bullet. Now we're going to try some ARs against it. What are you shooting at, Pop? Never mind, your phone's ringing, Pop.
Yeah.
What are you shooting at?
I shot it in the middle.
At the rotor?
Yeah. I see it fly.
Shot dirt right below it.
Right below it.
Splattered dirt up on it. Shot right to the left of it, shot dirt.
Ah. I ain't had that on that. Oh. I looked at the wrong eye.
Yeah, wrong eye, Pop.
Shot through the middle of it that time.
Let's see. You put a hole in it, it actually hit it sideways. Just to the left of it. Shoot you a bunch there at one time. Alright, there you go, Pop. What are you shooting at? Try to shoot at the bottom one, that real big black one. Well, you can see our fragments off of our bullets right there where they ricocheted up. I didn't even notice that.
Did I hit it?
No. Shooting just to the left of it. That time you hit the rotor.
I tried to.
It went straight through the rotor. Let's go look at that. Pop's bullet went in the first side, but did not come out the back side. And there's some of the jacket and stuff.
Maybe you'll shoot this? Huh? No. Sure? One down.
What are you aiming at, Dover?
I was aiming at that white thing on
The sticker?
the, yeah,
Alright.
sticker on that box that time.
See what you can hit it with.
Then I'm going to go back to the road.
Okay.
Get right behind it.
Yep.
Get it that time.
Alright. Now empty the clip. Pull it as fast as you can.
Aim at the rotor.
Just as fast as you can go.
Is that all of it?
That's all of it. Now Pop's gonna shoot my Daniel defense. Ow. You like that sight better?
Yeah, I like that sight.
See if you can hit like that white sticker or something with that sight. Yeah. Keep on going.
Did I hit it?
Yeah. Right through the center of it. Shooting just below it, maybe an inch below it. Keep on going.
I don't want to shoot all the shit.
I got more. Loading the gun.
That was all of them.
You turn it off?
What the hell? Huh? What?
I know that was kind of a dumb video. It was basically just me, my uncle, and my granddad just shooting a bunch of rounds downrange for absolutely no reason. We shot the rotor and the box a shit ton of times just to be shooting. Pop hasn't pulled his AR out in quite a while. He's got one of them Bushmaster ARs. I've got a Bushmaster M4 at home, but I hardly ever shoot it ever since I bought that Daniel Defense. I love that gun. That thing shoots so smooth, it's amazing. I want another one. I want one of the SBRs they have. But you know, if y'all know anything about Daniel Defense, they're not too cheap. So yeah, alright, well I appreciate y'all watching this acting stupid and just shooting for absolutely no reason. There was no purpose behind that. It's not really like we were aiming too much. I mean really, as long as we were just aiming to hit the box. Yeah, I mean really that's pretty much it, just acting stupid. So alright, well I appreciate y'all watching. And this video y'all probably be seeing this after y'all seen this weekend's video. So anyway, appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and like, comment, share, do all that crap. And like always, until next time, y'all have a good one.